What's going on, everyone? I wanted to shoot a quick video about the new iOS 16 update with the plant identifier. It'll identify pretty much anything: books, dogs, cats, breeds, insects, reptiles, just pretty much anything you need it to look over. But I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. So you have a iPhone 16 or iOS 16, I'm sorry. And you're gonna take a photo and you're gonna pull up that photo and you're gonna wait for this little I button to pop up down on the bottom. You hit that, you're gonna hit plant. You're gonna have to hit continue there, I guess the first time you do it. It's the first time I'm doing it on this phone. So it's showing me orange jasmine and Maria. Shows you pictures. Close it out. Come back over. Let's do this bush or a hedge right here. This one I was having trouble with over here. Someone gave this to me when my mom passed away to plant, and couldn't identify it at first, but this really helped me out. But yeah, this works with pretty much anything. Got some plumerias going over here. But yeah, this will work with pretty much anything. Like, you can take pictures of dogs, insects, cats, yeah, pretty neat little feature that they added recently. I'm gonna go through and look at a few more of these while we're out here. Yeah, you click on it, it'll give you more information. But yeah, it's a neat little feature that they added. Ooh, let's look at the Halichondria. See if it recognizes that right away. Oh, Halichondria. So yeah, like I said, cool little feature they added. Lakeview jasmine starting to bloom. They call it orange jasmine, but I guess it smells like orange blooms when it's blooming. But yeah, cool little feature that they added. And like I said, you can do it with plants, dogs, cats, insects, birds, reptiles. Pretty much anything I've tested on it has worked. Few little hiccups on like books and stuff. It's still learning, but like I said, cool little feature they just added on iOS 16. Something you might want to check out. I want to see if it can got some poison ivy or something going on, poison oak. Let's see what it says. Virginia creeper. So yeah, if you got weeds coming in your stuff and you want to know what they are, or want to know how to get rid of them, just like I said, you're gonna come in, take a photo, hit the photo, wait for the I button to pop up down here at the bottom, hit plant up here, and boom, it gives you all your information. You can click on it, on the about, takes you to the Wikipedia. But a cool little feature that they added for my plant people. Anyone that wants to identify anything they don't know, spiders, crap like that. So I don't know if this helped you out in any way. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Help me keep doing content. Hope everyone has a good day. Thanks.